The Huawei Mate 80 Pro comes with 6.75 inches Full HD plus LTPO OLED display, 120Hz, and Kunlun Glass 2 protection, rear cameras 50-megapixel main plus 48-megapixel periscope telephoto and 40-megapixel ultrawide with 4K video, 13-megapixel selfie with 4K video, powered by Kirin 9030 Pro. For 16GB, 6nm and Kirin 9030 for 12GB, 6nm chipset, it runs on Harmony OS 6.0. Comes with 12GB, 16GB of RAM and 256GB, 512GB, 1TB storage, no microSD. Comes backed by a 5750 mAh battery with 100-watt charging. Measures 7.95mm thickness and 219 grams weight, and colors obsidian black, dawn gold, spruce green, and snow white. Other features include side fingerprint sensor, face unlock, dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS, NFC, USB Type-C, stereo speakers, IR blaster, and IP68, IP69 rating. Pricing starts at 5,999 Chinese yuan for the 12GB plus 256GB model.